Hey guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So this is the second time that I'm going to be doing a 2-in-1 video. So I am going to be doing my bills. I'm going to be stuffing my cash envelopes and stuffing my sinking funds. I got a lot of positive comments back and positive feedback about that y'all like the 2-in-1 because why wait Friday and then Saturday to watch two videos when you can just watch one video on Saturday. So I feel like that is my goal, is to do 2-in-1s now. So if you are enjoying those, let me know down below and make sure you subscribe down below so I'll know that you are loving my videos. And for all my past YouTubers and viewers, welcome back and thank you for subscribing. Thank you for coming back and just enjoying my videos and letting me know that y'all love it. Alright, so let's not get this video any longer. So we are going to start. So paycheck number 2 went up a little bit. So I actually made $1,346. $1,346, and that was actually a pretty good week. I got a lot of overtime and call and everything, so that is how much I made. So it actually jumped up from last paycheck. So let's see what the difference was. Minus. So there's a difference of $173, which, I mean, it's really good for me. I mean, it's $173 that I didn't have last paycheck, so that is fine. All right, phone this month, we are going to be paying $50. Rent will be $290. Credit card, we are going to put $0 right now. Insurance will be $25 because I forgot that my mom borrowed some money from me, so instead of paying $149, I'm only paying $100 this month, so that is just $25. Loan is $52. And gym will be $35. Car will be $248. MediaCom will be $17. And then lights bill will be $25. All right, so these are the bills that I am going to be paying this week. So that is phone, rent, none for credit card, insurance, loan, gym, car, MediaCom, and light. So the third paycheck, I'm going to be spending as little as possible on my bills because that's why I paid the most out of the first two paychecks, so I can have the third paycheck for Black Friday and Christmas shopping, because Black Friday is my my holiday. So let's get on to stuffing our envelopes. Now, as always, I am using the Dave Ramsey, the Financial Peace University envelope system. So this week, before we do that, we're going to make sure that this totals this. So that's actually $675. So we're going to subtract 1,346 minus 675 equals $671 is how much we have left over. So let me see where I can write that. I'm just going to keep it right here just so y'all can see it. All right, so let's get stuffing. All right, so groceries will be $100. Now, I already emptied everything, so we can just start fresh. The money that I had left over is going towards Thanksgiving. So if you have seen my weekly check-in, you will know how much money that I had left over. So all that will go towards Thanksgiving, like buying dinners and everything else and stuff to make Thanksgiving dinner. All right, gas will be $60. Fun money, when you are watching this is actually Saturday, so I already spent some money. We went to Alyssa. I bought actually I want to bid on some like wedding stuff, and that was $39. So out of $100 I was going to put in the fun money, I only have $61 left, which is fine. 60 and 61. I don't really have much to buy this week, I don't think. So, alright. Out to eat, I'm not putting anything in, I think. Let me see. Yes, I'm not putting anything in for out to eat. And then cushion is going to be $100. So, we are going to see how much we have left. And I just messed that up. Was that $675? All right. Let's see. 675 equals 671. So let's just subtract how much we just put in. So minus $100 minus 60 minus 100, because fund money did start at 100, you guys. Minus 100. So that is $311. Let me make sure. Yeah. So $311. And let's see. We're actually going to put $120 in cushion. So going to write that. So we're actually going to put $120 in cushion because I forgot that Netflix and everything will be coming out. So 311 minus 20. So I have $291 to go towards sinking funds. So we're going to flip through our sinking funds. And as always, this is our list. Now I'm not going to be stuffing everything this paycheck, but we're going to go over the category and then we're going to figure out how much we're going to put in, and then I'll show you the envelopes. We will do the amount like I always do. It's very exciting. So we're going to have Black Friday, Christmas, college, wedding, car maintenance, medical, beauty, clothing, gifts, vacation, and tag. All right, so let's get to writing how much money we're going to put in. All right, so for Black Friday, let me flip to my cheat sheet. So for Black Friday, we're going to do $50. For Christmas, we are doing $50. For college, we're going to be doing $55. Wedding, which is the last wedding of the season, is next weekend, so that's $6 I'm going to put. I gotta do gas and a gift. So I gotta figure that out. Car maintenance, I was gonna stuff $60, but today I did use money for a tire alignment, so that was $100 total, and I literally used all of that money. So we are not going to put anything in there this week. Medical, we are going to be putting $20. And then beauty, clothing, gifts are going to be $0. Because I'm trying to save as much as possible for Black Friday. And vacation will get $50. And tag, $0. Alright, so we're going to add all this up to see if it will equal $291. So that's 50, 50, 55, 6, 20, and 50. Okay, so that didn't work. So where am I missing at? Oh, I know what happened. It's because of the maintenance. So let me do $291 minus 60. $231 is how much I should have. So let's check again. I forgot to fix that. Yep, $231. Alright, so let's get stuffing, you guys. Alright, so the first that we are going to be stuffing is our Black Friday envelope. And I do not have these in order, so it's going to be a struggle real quick. So here is the Black Friday, and we are going to put $50. Okay. Let's get it situated. Alright, and as always, we do have $30 in gift cards. 1, 2, 50, 60, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, that's 300. 2, 40, 60, 80, 1, that's 400, 20, and 21. So 421 plus 30 in gift cards will be $451. It's a small little total box that I have there. All right, let me zoom y'all in just a few so y'all can see. So that is $451. All right, so next we are doing Christmas, which is right here. And I have some receipts of stuff that I already bought. I just wanted to keep track. So that's going to be $50 also. So that's 1, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35. So that's $135. And actually, most of this money will go away again because I'm going to be buying some gift cards this weekend. All right, next is the wedding. So that's just going to get $6. I'm going to zoom you out because I like for y'all to see the money when I pick it up. Let me move this aside. All right. 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Let's see. That was wedding, so that's $29. College will get $55. So let's see. 20, 40, 50, and 55. Let's see. And I think I have till the first week of January to pay for my class, which I'm taking. What am I taking? Music, I think, just to get some points up for nursing. So that's what I'm going to do. And it's going to be online also. So 1, 2, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92. So $292. All right, what is next? Vacation will be $50 also. Now, as always, the only thing that I have left to do for vacation is we're going to go to Comic-Con, and my birthday is in January. So that is what we plan on doing, saving some money for that. 2, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 101. So that will actually pay for my ticket and some food and stuff at Comic-Con, but I need some stuff for gifts. All right, how much? So $101. All right, and then we still need to count all of our stuff. So card maintenance has $0. So let's see, $0. And then medical is going to get $20. I have no doctor's appointment until the beginning of the year. So 5, 10, 15, 20. Oh, I'm missing something. 5, 10, 15, 20. So I have $30. Medical, so that's $30. And let's see how much I have in clothing. I still think I have 10, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's not bad. Let's see. Let's see. Gifts. Don't think I have anything in gifts. I'm not going to save anything until the beginning of the year again. because I have no more birthdays. Well, I have Jared's sister-in-law, but I'm just going to use Christmas money for that. And then beauty is $15. Alright, so I have extra money. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have $10 extra. I'm going to figure it out and I will get right back to you. Alright, you guys, so I have no idea where this $10 came from. I might have taken too much out of the ATM because, I mean, all of this lines up, so I'm not sure. But I think I'm just going to put it in, Black Friday and college. So I'm going to put 5 and 5 in college. So I need my eraser, which I have no idea where my eraser is. There it is. So we're going to put 5. So let's do 55. So 401 plus 55 equals to 456. And then we'll do college. 292 plus 5. So we'll do 297. Alright, so that's what we're going to do. Let me get my envelopes if I can find it. So we'll do Black Friday. We'll do $5. Actually, we're going to put the dollar bills because I can most likely use that for Black Friday. And let me just put this in here. I need to make a bigger envelope for this. Alright, and then college, I said. Yeah. We're going to put 5 in here because I need to get as much as I can for that. Alright, you guys, so that is it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if y'all still like the 2-in-1s. If so, then I will continue to do them. I think I like them because y'all don't have to wait every day for one, or Friday and Saturday for one. And therefore, y'all can just, you know, do everything one at a time. And I thoroughly enjoyed the 2-in-1s also. So, let me know down below. Make sure you subscribe down below and let me know if you have a channel also. I will be more than willing to go and check you guys out. And before I end it, this is an Erin Condren planner. I should have announced it at the end. At the beginning. This is the 8.5 by 11, so the link will be down below if you would like to go and check that out and get a free $10 off of your first purchase, which is incredible. I used that for mine, and I think I got this for like $20 or so, because it was 50% off already, but plus I had a $10 off. So just, you know, a little tidbit. But anyways, I hope y'all have an amazing weekend, and let me know if y'all enjoy these, like, for real. And let me know if y'all have a channel so I can go and check it out. But anyways, bye y'all.